Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to learn the prepositions in Telugu. Prepositions reveal the position or relationship between noun, pronoun or some other parts of the sentence. Here is a list of some important prepositions in Telugu. Lopala means in or inside or within. Bayata means out or outside. To means with. Lekunda means without. Tarvata means after. Mundu means before. Gurinchi means about. Paina means above. Kinda means below or under or beneath. Meeda means on. Chuttu means around. Madhyalo means among or between. Vadda means at. Pakkana means beside. Addanga means across. Cheta or che or lo means by. Tappa means except. Koraku means for. Nundi means from. Lopalaki means into. Daggara means near. Tarvata means next. Minchi means over. Kante means than. Varaku means till. Antavaraku means until. Endukante means because. Dwara means via or through. Dini karananga means due to this.